Hello everyone and welcome to another instructional video for the practical use of the TopFX cTrader platform. My name is Neil. In this follow-up video of modifying your position, I will show you how you can double up the size of your contract with one click. So, as you can see, I already executed a trade. Now, one of the ways, there is two ways, I'll show them to you. One of the ways is we move right below the chart under the position trading panel, and I move over to the far right, and there is a tab that shows two pointing arrows in the upward direction. As a matter of fact, if you hover your mouse, it would say double up position. My current lot size is 0.01. By clicking this tab, just double the size of my contract, and I can repeat it from 0.2, so on and so forth, to 0.4. Now this is one way. Another way would be directly on the chart. As you can see, you hover your mouse right by the center of the chart on the panel, the same exact icon. I click on it again, and I just doubled up again the size of my contract. And this is it. Thank you for watching. See you on the follow-up video.